They say it was a lone gunman that shot JFK. Conspiracy buffs will tell you otherwise. What if the truth is far more sinister? Let's dive into the shadows. First, motive. Just months before his death, President Kennedy planned to shatter the CIA's power after the Bay of Pigs fiasco. A recently declassified memo proves he wanted to break them up, giving America's most secretive agency a reason to strike back. Now, the means. Back in '61, the CIA controlled nearly half the political officers in U.S. embassies worldwide. That's a shadow government with eyes and ears everywhere. And, some believe, the muscle to silence a president. And what about Lee Harvey Oswald? The CIA had a fat file on him, tracking his every move even before Dallas. His mysterious trip to Mexico City? Monitored. The agencies kept key documents under lock and key for decades. What are they hiding? So did the CIA kill JFK? One thing's for sure. Maybe he should have trusted the FBI instead.